To volleyball now, and the national men's volleyball team, Wafalme, has intensified their training ahead of the CAVB Zone 5 men's qualifiers scheduled for the 30th of May to the 6th of June this year. The 14-man squad is expected to leave on Sunday for Kampala.
Most of our budget, like 90%, is borne by our Ministry of Sports, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, and we never tire. They support our national teams, that is Malkia Strikers and Wafalme, and also other programs, even the beach volleyball, including the one that has just come, that was victorious in Dar es Salaam.
I believe the coaches have put a strong team, a credible team, a team that will take now the nation to the next level. Now it's not Kenya volleyball, now it's Kenya. Yeah? Now it's Kenya that now you are representing, not Kenya volleyball. Kenya volleyball has done their part with the coaches, with the management. Now you are now carrying the whole nation on your shoulder.
Well, that is all your sport for now, but let's take a look at what you will be reading tomorrow in Kenya's bold newspaper, the Saturday Standard.